New Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite is insane. Google just dropped something wild. Like, nobody is talking about this yet. And when I saw the numbers, I literally stopped what I was doing because this new AI model from Google is 45% faster. It lets you control how much it thinks. And it might just change how every single one of us builds with AI. So stick around because I am going to break down exactly what this is, why it matters, and how you can use it right now. So here is what happened. Google quietly released a brand new model called Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite. And look, I know what you are thinking. Another model drop, another update. Who cares? But wait, because this one is different. This is not just some small tweak. This is a full-on upgrade to how fast and how smart your AI tools can be. And the best part, you do not need to be some genius coder to use it. Anyone can test this thing today. I am going to show you how. Now, before I get into the juicy stuff, let me tell you what Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite actually is. Think of it like this. Google has big models, like the heavy hitters, the ones that think really deep and take their time. Then they have the lightweight ones, the ones that are super fast, but maybe not as sharp. Flash Lite sits right in the sweet spot. It is fast, like really fast, but it is also smart enough to handle serious work. It is built for scale, built for speed, and built for people who want to actually get stuff done without waiting around. Now, here is where it gets crazy, and this is the part that blew my mind. This model is 45% faster than the last version. 45%. That is not a little bump. That is a massive leap. Imagine you are running an app or a chatbot or some kind of automation, and overnight, everything just got almost half again as fast. Your users get answers quicker, your tools run smoother, everything just works better. That is what this upgrade does. And honestly, that alone would be enough to get excited about. But there is more. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he is helping clients get more leads and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you comment below and let us know what you think about this new model. Okay, so let me get into the feature that I think is the real game changer here. It is called compute control. And I promise you, once you understand this, you are going to see AI completely differently. So here is how it works. With most AI models, you send a question, the model thinks as hard as it can, and it gives you an answer every single time. Same level of effort, same amount of thinking, whether you asked it to write a single sentence or solve a complex problem. That is kind of wasteful, right? Like using a sledgehammer to hang a picture frame. With Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite, you get to choose. You can say, hey, this is a simple task, do not overthink it. Or you can say, okay, this one is tricky, go deep. You control the thinking level. Low thinking mode for the quick, easy stuff. High thinking mode for the heavy lifting. That is huge because now you are not wasting resources on simple tasks and you are not underpowering the hard ones. You get to pick. And that kind of flexibility, that is what separates a toy from a real tool. Let me give you a real example. Say you are generating 100 product descriptions for an online store. You do not need deep reasoning for that. You need speed, you need volume. So you set it to low thinking mode and it just rips through them. But then say you need to build a structured layout for a web page. That takes more thought, more logic. So you crank it up to high thinking mode. Same model, two completely different jobs, both done perfectly. That is the power of compute control. Now, if you are someone who is building a business or trying to scale with AI, I want you to pay attention to this next part because this is exactly the kind of thing we help people with inside the AI Profit Boardroom. If you want to learn how to use tools like Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite to automate your workflows, save hundreds of hours, and get more customers, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. It is the best community for scaling your business with AI automation. I will drop the link in the description and comments. Go check it out. All right, back to it. So who is this model actually for? Let me break it down real simple. If you are a developer, this is a dream. You can plug this into your apps, your APIs, your backend systems, and everything runs faster. You can handle way more users without things slowing down. And with compute control, you can fine tune exactly how your app uses the model. That is next level. If you are a startup founder, listen up. You are trying to build something great with a small team. Flash Lite lets you scale your AI features without slowing down. You can run batch jobs. You can process huge amounts of data. And you can do it efficiently. This is the kind of tool that lets small teams compete with big companies. If you are an automation builder, oh man, this is your playground. Think bulk document generation, think email campaigns, think data transformation, think workflow tools that just run and run and run. Flash Lite handles all of that. And because of the speed upgrade, your automations finish faster than ever. And if you are into UI or front end stuff, Flash Lite is surprisingly good at structured output. It can generate UI code. It follows instructions really well. So if you need it to spit out formatted content or structured data, it delivers. Now, let me talk about something that I think a lot of people are going to miss. And this is important. The real power of this model is not just that it is fast. It is not just that it is flexible. It is that it changes your strategy. Think about it. Before this, you had to pick, do I use the big smart model that is slow or the fast cheap model that is kind of dumb? Now you do not have to choose one model. You adjust the dial. Simple tasks get simple thinking. Complex tasks get complex thinking. That is not just a feature. That is a whole new way of building. And here is the thing that got me really excited. This is available right now in preview. You can go to Google AI Studio and start testing it today. You can also access it through Vertex AI if you're on the enterprise side, or you can hit the Gemini API directly if you want to plug it into your own stuff. It is all there, ready to go, no waitlist, no invite code, just go and start building. So let me give you some practical ideas. Things you can actually do with this today. Number one, if you are running any kind of content operation, try using Flash Lite for your bulk generation. Blog outlines, social media posts, product descriptions, set it to low thinking mode and watch it fly. Number two, if you are building a chatbot or any kind of customer facing tool, plug this in and test the response times. You will notice the difference immediately. Number three, if you are doing any kind of data processing or transformation, Flash Lite handles structured output really well. JSON, formatted text, organized data, it just works. Number four, try the compute control feature yourself. Run the same prompt at different thinking levels, compare the outputs, see what works best for your use case. It is honestly kind of fun to play with. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. Is this model going to replace the big flagship models? No, that is not what it is for. If you need the absolute deepest reasoning, the most complex analysis, you still want those heavy hitters. But here is the truth. 90% of what most people use AI for does not need that level of power. Most tasks need speed, most tasks need consistency, most tasks need scale, and that is exactly where Flash Lite dominates. This is one of those updates that does not get the big flashy headlines, but the people who are actually building things, the people who are actually using AI every day, they are going to feel this one big time. All right, so let me wrap this up and tell you what to do next. First, go to Google AI Studio and try Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite for yourself. Play with the compute control feature, test it on your actual workflows, see the speed difference. It is free to try in preview, and you can start right now. Second, if you want to learn how to take tools like this and actually build real systems around them, real automations, real workflows that grow your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save tons of time with AI automation tools like Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite. I will put the link right in the description and comments. Go check it out. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. It is completely free to join. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about this new model. Are you going to try it? What would you build with it? Julian reads every single comment. So let him know. Hit subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.